趁火打劫，趁火打劫，
This expression is similar to the expressions
乘人之危，
and
落井下石。
its direct meaning is take the chance of fire to rob. It means take advantage of someone when he is in a difficult situation. There is a little bit difference among these three expressions in terms of the usage. For example,
賊人趁火打劫，趁住暴動，將嗰間銀行洗劫一空。賊人趁火打劫，趁住暴動，將嗰間銀行洗劫一空。
in English, it means the robbers took the chance of riot and robbed all the money of the bank. You can even use this expression to reply your friend when he takes a chance to force you make him a free lunch. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.